All right, hey everyone, thanks for tuning in. Welcome to my adventures in surf fishing. I'm down here in the afternoon, going to be the incoming tide. Going to see if there's any Corbina cruising the surf lines. So went and got my crab net, sifting through the water. Perfect, beautiful bait. So gonna check out the conditions here, give it a quick look over, and see if I can catch any Corbina. Well, sometimes you think to yourself, hey, I just want to go fishing. You get down here to the beach and you encounter conditions like this, which is just horrendous as far as seaweed goes. The water's just littered with seaweed. Well, I gotta find a better spot. All right, check out these military helicopters coming in. Boy, they are flying really low. I am right in the strike zone. Right in the strike zone. And they're just circling and no one's going for it yet. Those are all quality Corbina. You gotta be kidding me. There we go. There we go. That's looking like a Corbina, absolutely. All right. Beautiful. Coming up there, and hopefully you can see that. Right on the top surface. Nice. Nice little, kind of looks like right now a nice and pink body, but that's fun. That's coming in right around 16 inches. All right. Cool little Corbina. That's nice. It's a nice looking Corbina.